Who am I? Who is she? I don't know. I don't know. Hey guys, it's Adeline, aka Dare to Be Curly right now. My hair is not curly, it is straight. Yes, indeed, it is. So, for this video, I'm going to give you step by step from beginning to middle to end on how I get this blonde. Before I get started, this is my 5th time getting my hair processed this blonde. I did not get my hair this blonde in one shot. I took my time. I started in, right now it is, what is it, February 2021. I started my blonde journey. I believe it was like, oh my God, when was it? I don't know, but this is a picture of my hair from starting to slowly get blonde to getting blonde to finally blonde. It's a process and you're just gonna have to be patient. You can't dye your hair from black to blonde and expect to still have your curls. It's not gonna happen. I hate to break it to you, it's not gonna happen. I took my time and I still have my curls. All right, let's get to the process. This is how my hair looks like brushed out with no product. My scalp just felt so itchy, so I had, before I do all this shenanigans, I had to wash it, pre-wash it, then wet it to put the Olaplex on damp hair. You can put it on damp, dirty hair, but my preference is to put it on damp, clean hair, because just like, oh, my scalp just like kills me with all that buildup. So my hair is clean. I'm gonna damp it and put the Olaplex on. Okay, it's in sections. I'm gonna put Olaplex number 3. This is just all the maintenance before more maintenance, if you think about it. And with Olaplex, I only put it where my hair is already damaged. I'm just gonna get my Tangle teaser brush. There you go, it just glides right through perfectly. And brush it out to let all the product distribute evenly and move on up. Okay, Olaplex is on. I'm gonna leave this on for 10 minutes and then I'm gonna shampoo, deep condition, then take off the deep conditioner, then braid it with nothing on my hair, clean, fresh, braided hair, go to sleep, wake up to get my hair done. Pro tip. I recently found out when you go to the salon and get your hair blow dried, or if you're gonna get anything chemically processed, always go with clean hair. Because if you're dyeing your hair, whatever product you have in your hair, it can build some type of bond where your hair won't penetrate the hair follicles as much. It will dye your hair, but it's gonna mess around with the color somehow. So it's best to go in with clean, dry hair and go in with a protective style. I always go in with braids, 2 braids always. You're gonna see. The deep conditioner I'm gonna use is going to be Brigio's Deep Repair. Don't repair. Let me get it right now, actually. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. Finally. I'm gonna shampoo my hair with my favorite moisturizing shampoo, Udad's moisturizing shampoo, curl quencher. And then I'm gonna deep condition my hair with my favorite protein treatment from Brigio, Don't Despair Repair. This mask is perfect for what's gonna happen to my hair. I'm only gonna leave it on for 10 minutes, then rinse it off, braid. I'll be back. All right, my hair is washed. Oh, it feels so good to get out of the shower. Okay, no product in my hair. I left in the Brigio Don't Despair Repair. And now I'm just gonna braid my hair and go to sleep. And then wake up in the salon. Well, not really, you know. Well, you know what I mean. I need to get a mirror because it's just so much more complicated to braid my hair looking at my phone. So I had to stop the video and redo my braid to make it tighter because it just was not working. All right, my hair is braided. Now I'm gonna go to sleep with my hair wet. Well, it's not really wet, damp. I'll see you not in a minute. See you tomorrow. And I'm here. So first things first, what Stephanie is going to do right now, what she's doing is she applies bleach into my hair like every other part of my hair. She'll apply the foils. It's a lot. It takes like 3 hours. Like, you guys, it's a process. Like, I don't know how many times I said it's a process in the video, but it's a process. Look at this. Look how cute I look. I look like an alien. And look at her beautiful work, as always. What they're doing now is they're taking the foils out of the back of my head. Like, I don't get to take all of it out. So Stephanie's talking right now, but I couldn't hear her because the music was really loud. So what she basically saying is what the tin foil does and the heat lamps do is it makes my hair lift easier and quicker. What we're doing now is we're taking the other half of my hair. I'm telling you, it's such a process. I can't. It's so long. It takes so long. I couldn't take all of the tinfoils out right away because my hair wasn't lightening as fast as it should have. But it's okay. We're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting the other half of my head. It's a process, guys. Like, you see this? It takes 2 people to do this. Oh, gosh. Now we're baking the other half of my head. Now that the other half is bleached completely. Now we're waiting for the other side to cook. And we're done. We're washing the bleach off. Finally. Look at my face. I'm so happy. And I'm so tired at this moment. It's exhausting being in the salon it basically did a part-time shift, basically. Not even. It feels like I did a full-time shift. Okay, I'm in the bathroom now, and I have a bond treatment, especially after that bleach. I'm definitely gonna need it. So I'm going to wait 10 minutes, and then 10 minutes, I'm gonna rinse it off, and then tone. When you go to the salon and you're bleaching your hair, please always ask for their bond treatment. My hair at this moment in my life. Feels so soft, like a baby's bottom. Now Stephanie is putting on the toner. This is my favorite part because we're halfway there. Actually, not really halfway there. We're basically there. And she's also putting a gloss in the toner to make my hair all glossy and glazy. Look at that. Look at that shine. That shine. So beautiful. So beautiful. Also, she did trim my hair 2 inches off. I needed it, guys. I know. You guys are like, oh my God, it's going to be so short. But my hair hasn't been cut in like, oh my God, I don't even remember. But it's been a while, maybe like more than maybe 6 months. Now we're gonna blow dry. Blow drying time. This moment, in this exact moment in my life, I felt like I was in Princess Diaries. Having 2 people blow out my hair at the same time is like the most amazing feeling ever. Tell me not. Tell me not. Okay, the end result. That was a process. You guys saw how many steps it took me. How I got to the salon at 1:30 and I left at 7:30. But it is worth it. It is worth it. Yeah, my hair is definitely better in the side. I'm just used to it. Like, I can't. Who am I kidding? I'm a millennial. I'm not a Gen Z, whatever generation they're making fun of, millennials, whatever. If you enjoyed this video, once again, please subscribe to my channel. I dare you to be a healthy, patient, curly rubia. It's like so blonde. The lighting doesn't do it justice. Who am I? I don't know. Okay, everyone's making fun of us millennials, so I parted my hair to the middle to see, and I know it just doesn't, like, my hair is so used to going that way, but it doesn't look so bad. It's different in the middle. I don't know what you guys think. Middle or side? I just wanted to see how my hair looks like in this state. What do you guys think? I kind of feel like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I kind of feel like a goddess. This video, please subscribe to my channel. Allah.